my next video, I'd like to do one on circle to search. And I know that's a overdone topic as of when I'm doing this, June of 2025. It's been out for a while now, and I know probably everybody has it. When it first came out, it was a big deal. Now, not so much, but it's still a very viable and productive way of figuring things out and searching for things. And I just wanted to go over it, and I wanted to show you maybe a few little tips and tricks that people don't know about as much. One of them is that you can do it on anything, on any screen, on any app. So let's just go ahead and dive right in here. So, and I'm using an S25 Ultra. This works on anything Samsung wise. I'm not sure if it works on any of the other devices. I know obviously Samsung has it, circle to search. But yeah, put some notes in the comment section if your phone has this. I know my S25 obviously has it, the S24 has it, the S23 might have it, but yeah. So anyway, again, let's dive in and start showing some stuff here. So I'm going to open up just my first app. Oh yeah, it just so happens to be mine. Cool. And we're going to tap and hold. Oops, I don't want to go into it. We're going to tap and hold, and then this comes up, and we can do a search. And there, of course, you're getting all your information. You can show more. Gives you tons of information after you do the circle to search. But the main thing I wanted to show, obviously, is not all the great information you get, products, visual matches, about this image, etc., but again, the apps. And this one was the browser app. Was the YouTube app. So let's go ahead, close the YouTube app. Let's go in the weather app. So we're gonna do the circle to search, and let's, I don't know what it'll give me for this. I've never tried it. This image displays weather information, specifically indicating a 72% relative, and it just gives you information on that. But this is the weather app. So here we have my playlist. Again, tap and hold, circle to search, Dr. Jekyll. I like to listen to that at night. It's old Dr. Jekyll. And there it tells you all about the different Dr. Jekylls, information on it. So you can do it. I can sit here all day doing this. I think you get the point. You can do it on anything, any app, and it'll get you information. So if you don't know, I guess I should have started that out. If you don't know how to do this, towards the bottom I like to do it. I tap and hold. Can't do it on an image though, it's got to be a blank screen. So we'll go ahead and tap and hold. Yeah, see, I'm hitting the apps here. We need a blank white screen. And it's going to be hard to get here. Here we go. Blank white screen. No. It's being a pain in the butt here. Let's see. Okay. So there I found one. I want to do information on Master Sergeant. So you have to do it. You tap and hold. Then this screen will come up. And you'll see the Google. You'll see voice search, you'll see identify a song, and then you'll also see translate. So let's go a little deeper into this circle to search. So obviously I can do my circle to search, and it'll do that. So that's how you do basic circle search. Let's do a little bit more and show you something else that this has that a lot of people may or may not know. If I can do it again. Yes, okay. So we have the prompt comes up, Google. We have voice search, which I can now type. I can talk anything I want. Instead of circling with your finger, I'm using the S Pen. I can talk and do a voice search. If I want to do music, which it's actually much better than those other music apps that you probably have and use all the time, trust me, use this. It's much better. It's found several songs that I could never find before. So as they're playing, you just hit this and it'll identify the song. Then also translate. That's an obvious one. It'll translate whatever you have on the screen. So circle to search isn't just for circling to search. It has other options as well. There's my Google screen, and then my circle to search. So Master Sergeant is what I was searching. And then of course it's going to give me all my AI first and give me everything I want to know about it. So very powerful feature, one that you should use if you're not using it. It comes in very handy. You can also use it to identify products, which there's 1,000,001 ways of doing that nowadays. The AI has become a powerful thing, but one thing you can do is you can take a picture of an object, go to your gallery, circle to search it, and it'll bring up whatever it is. So if you don't know, even for an example, I don't know, like a vitamin, you don't know what a vitamin is, take a picture of the bottle, circle to search, up will come all the information that you need to know about it instead of typing it in, hitting search, looking at it, and becomes a very efficient and fast way of finding out information. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.